Hey, what's up, guys? Derek here. Hey, listen, before you continue on through the course, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and get you guys set up with a professional domain from GoDaddy. Being an affiliate marketer, everything kind of revolves around your domain. To scale your business and to really see results, you're going to need a professional domain. All right. So, in addition to the professional domain, I think more importantly, you need a professional email address. And I'll tell you why. When you're sending emails, it'll send it from that professional email address, not from your either Yahoo or Gmail. Because if that happens, the emails will likely end up in your subscribers' spam, and we don't want that. So you want it to go right into the inbox. And to do that, you'll need a professional domain and a professional email address, and you can get both of those here at GoDaddy. All right, as you can see, we are logged in my account. All we're going to do is just search for a domain, and then we're going to go ahead and check out. I would recommend that you choose, something A, professional, and or B, possibly related to your name or you can come up with a business, but I would keep it short and simple. 2 to 3 words, 4 words max. 2 to 3 would probably be best. So for example, Earn with Derek. So as you can see, earnwithderek.net is available for $14.99 for the first year. You can scroll down and you can see there's other options as well. Earnwithderek.co, you can buy this for 1 cent. Earnwithderek.today, earnderek.com. So I can purchase it for 1 cent. Earnwithderek.info, so you can go through here and choose whichever one you like. .com, of course, is going to be the most common. Retire with Derek. Hey, that's kind of cool. Retirewithderek.com. Wealth with Derek. That's another cool one. Wow, only for 1 cent. Here, we're just going to use this one for an example. MakeMoneyWithDerek.me. I probably would go with a .com, but I'm just going to go with this one here because it's just $12. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through the process, okay? So you're going to hit Add to Cart. And you add it to the cart. You're going to click continue. All right. So here they're asking you if you want full domain protection. Honestly, I don't think it's only $10 a year, and I don't even think you're going to need it. You can certainly go with it. It says prevents hackers from stealing your domain, making any other unauthorized changes. To be honest with you guys, I don't think you're going to need it. If you're just starting out, I don't think it's necessary. But if you want to feel safe and secure, go right ahead. All right. So we'll leave that checked. Otherwise, you can do no domain. All right, I'm just going to leave it. I'll leave it checked for now. Start your website for free. We're going to uncheck that. We don't need that. Build credibility with a custom email address. This is what we want. This is what I was talking about. A branded email address. Advanced email security provides proactive protection against spam, malware, and phishing attempts. I would do this one right here. So this is $2.99 per month. If you do this, we're going to have a hard time. He says no professional email. That's when your emails are going to end up in spam. So go with this one right here. And then hit continue to cart. Here's our domain. And they want us registering for 5 years. All right. Now, you may not want to do that, especially for your first domain, because what's going to happen is as you go through these process, you're going to say, hey, I should have got this, or hey, I should have done this. I would do either 3 years or maybe just 1 year and go from there. Let's do 3 years. And then you got your full protection. $10 a year. We want to add your Microsoft Essentials with security. So let's go ahead and add that. All right. So now we got your email, we got full protection, and we got your domain for 3 years. And your total is $125.82. All right. And again, you could even get a domain that's less expensive than this one. So you can go ahead and pay. You can use PayPal, or I'm sure they got credit card options. So once you pay, then it's going to end up in your products. So when you click on your name, it's going to show your products, your domain, and your professional email in your account. So go ahead and make the purchase from there. Then we'll go ahead and plug everything together in a different video.